We were down shopping the other day and there were some good deals on certain things, and we picked up a couple of sets of lights, and I want to show you guys. Some of these are really cool. Look at this. Oops, sorry. It's like a long strip. It's got like a test button on it where you can test the colors. I think my hubby said he's going to put these in, I think he's side by side. And I got another little bar I'm going to show you. We're going to put it in the truck. It's voice activated. It is really cool. Hang on just a moment. This is the box. I got the lights out because it's better to see it in the dark. It's no good in the daylight. You can't really tell. Now look at this, guys. It's a light up bar. It's got different settings and modes, colors, all stuff like that. It looks white on my camera, but those is this flashing is red and the color is dark blue. I don't know how to, there. If I'm in closer, you can see that it's dark blue. Now you can see the colors better. When I'm away at a distance, it looks white. But this is voice activated. See, every color that's flashing, that's me talking, activating it. See, dark when it goes quiet. We're going to put this on the dash of our truck. There's different settings and modes on it, loads of it. And we got these on sale really cheap. They had a really good deal on them. I think it was like $10 or $16, something like that. It wasn't expensive at all. And it's a long burr. So cool. And there's different modes. Hang on now. I'll flick it over and turn on the modes. There's different ones. There's like loads of them that you can go through. There's one that's really cool on this. I can't remember what one it is. It's in amongst one of these. It runs back and forth on it. I gotta find that mode. There must be hundreds of modes on this. Hang on there. Now there's another button up at the top. I'm not sure which one that one is. Hang on, let me press it and see. Oh, nope, don't want to do that one. There we go. That's the mode I was looking for. Okay, there's different ones. These are like the coolest little rigs ever. I gotta get some more of these. Okay, I'm starting to figure it out. My hubby knew how to do it. I couldn't figure it out. The light you see flicking like that as I'm talking. That's so cool. I'm gonna try to get some more of these. I might get one for my car yet. It's cold out. Just got the fire going. We're not up that long and I'm getting dinner on the go. I gotta put some more wood in the stove because that's burned down. There should be enough for now. It's not a bad day out today. It's really cold though, but for the next 3 or 4 days, it calls for 90 millimeters of rain and 100-kilometer wind, so that's not gonna be good, but I think I'd rather the rain than the snow, but I know that's too much rain. The stove's going good. Got my kettle on the boil, gonna make myself a hot chocolate. And there's the hot chocolate. Now we're soon gonna sit down and have some dinner. We're gonna have boiled spaghetti with homemade meat sauce and homemade garlic bread. Power's gone out. I'm cooking supper on a stove. You can see right there, I'm boiling up a few potatoes. I just fried up some meat on top of the stove. We got the stove going because where the power went out. It's good to have a wood stove on hand. You can always cook on it. Why it looks so bright in here, my hubby got lanterns lit up to light up the house. It was windy all day. The winds was over 100. And the power never went out. Now the winds died right down and it's just raining. It knocked the power out. I picked up my sister from work. I was coming up Main Street and all the power was out all over Main Street. So our power's out here, but the good thing is we got the wood stove. We can cook on it. You guys, this is the next day. Forgot to make an ending for my video. I was on social media last night and this morning and I seen a picture. I seen what knocked our power out. Someone took a picture. It looked like a snap power line. Power line snapped down on Main Street, and you can see the sparks flying. But it got all fixed yesterday evening anyway. We had our power back by 6:30. So if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.